have a little project going on here today. Basically gonna tint these, smoke them out with this VViViD kit from Amazon. Here's the part number for you guys if you guys are interested. And basically what you're gonna need is this kit, which actually comes with a squeegee already. Know how to wipe the lights down, a heat gun, and some razor blades or a razor blade to trim. Let's start some alcohol. Measure this light corner to corner. So about 16 inches by 3 inches. We need a 3, so let's do about 5. Alright, so let's mask off the area. I know I didn't mention this early on, but I saw a lot of the pros doing that, so. The part where alright, let's cut down on some of this extra over here. It's kind of uncomfortably easy. That means I'm waiting for the shoe to drop, as they say, right? So let's go ahead and put a little heat in this. So it seems like as soon as you hit it with a little heat, it folds right over. Alright, so every now and then I do something that feels a little too easy. That was too easy. So this is what it looks like without the tint. And that's what it looks like with the tint. Let's go ahead and turn on the light so you guys can have a easy comparison. There you go. That's the difference. That's during the day, so you know at night it's going to be much, much brighter. This smoking of the turn signals was ridiculously easy with this VViViD dry tint. It's called dry tint that you put on there. Masking is definitely very important. It has to do with the tension. And as you can see, they came out really good, man. I mean, I'm not no tinter by any way, shape, or form, man, but it's really easy. It does them enough to blend them into the car in a nice and elegant way. I can't be happy. Stay tuned for the next project.